So today I'll be making sugar a simple salad. These are the ingredients that I'll be using today. These are the seasonings. We got the eggs in the pot boiling. We're going to keep it light today. We went to Jordan's, which is a soul food restaurant located in the Chicago area. Food was fantastic, so that's why we're keeping it light. If you're ever in that area, stop through. But these are the ingredients. I usually make this salad for him a lot. So yeah, it's definitely pretty decent. I'm going to come back on here and show you guys the finished product. Like and subscribe to my channel. The more views I get, the more likes I get, the more subscribers that I get. Yeah, we're going to keep on doing these videos. Thank you. Stay tuned. So this is the finished product of the salad. We use olive oil as our salad dressing, which is really good. There's other flavors too, like this roasted garlic and the basil and sun-dried tomatoes. Really good. If you like the video, like and subscribe. I'll be on here a little bit more with more recipes for you guys. A little more intense than this. So yeah, like and subscribe.